cucumber salad. Yan, sa salad na lang natin yan kasi masisira na from my garden. Yan po yung aking isa pa, kamatis with cucumber, also from my garden. There you go, kakat na po natin. Ito na po yung ating pangtimpla sa ating cucumber salad. Sugar, apple cider vinegar, and black pepper, and salt po. Yan, buhos na natin yung apple cider vinegar. Unti lang, hindi naman gaano marami. Yan. Okay na po yan. That's it. And then some pepper. And then sugar. Mas masarap kasi pag apple cider. And then yung salt. Oh, konti lang salt. Oh, that's too much. I think that's too much. Pampalasa po ay ang sile. Jaran! Ayan na po ang ating tomato salad. Yung with matching sile. Spicy. Hindi naman po siya masyadong mahanghang.